So I have purchased ColorFit Pro 2. ColorFit Pro 2. It's a sports watch. Its MRP is around the MRP of this product was around 5999 on Amazon, and I have purchased it for around 2000 rupees, 1999. It has IPS touch screen, multi sports mode, 40 wide standby, smart notifications, IP68, waterproof, female health tracking also is available. Designed in India, and fitness every day. It tracks the fitness, your fitness. Let's unbox it. It looks like this. It comes in this pack. This pack. So to switch on this watch, you have to press it. It vibrates, and it has sport modes. Sports mode, BPM, beats per minute, alarm, and relaxation sessions can do. In sports mode there are different modes: walk, run, bike, hiking. Now let's say we are doing hiking or running or anything. Now we should press it like this, and to confirm, to record the movement, we have to press it constantly, continuously, and click on yes. One movement has been tracked. This is Noise ColorFit Pro 2. When I use this uh, watch for a few days, I realized that when in the it has heart rate monitor, but if you see, if you observe this correctly, the BPM or the heart rate monitor does not really work. Even if the heart rate, or I don't wear the watch, even if I don't wear the watch, it shows 70 BPM, beats per minute. So I don't have any idea why it was like this. Either it is malfunctioning or there is some problem in this watch. Beats per minute. We have different watch faces. You can go to the settings and change the different watch faces. But the thing I like in this watch is you get notifications in your mobile, that is displayed in this screen. Notifications from Facebook, WhatsApp, bank notifications, etc. That's what I liked in this watch. For 2000, it is a good to have a routine. If you have a routine in a day, it's good to track the movement, but the BPM monitor is not as per the standard. So rest, there is a function for just checking to find your mobile. This one, when you press on this mobile, this app, it says Bluetooth disconnected. When it is connected to the Bluetooth, Then when you press on this find my mobile button, you get a missed call on your mobile, which makes which makes it easy for you to find your mobile wherever you have kept the mobile in your home or office or anywhere. So the plus point is you can find your mobile, you can have a good routine, you can track your routine, you can find how much uh, distance you have covered, your calories burned. Only the negative part is the BPM doesn't work, beats per minute. Rest, the appearance and the uh, quality that is given here is as per the amount I have paid, 2000 rupees. I am satisfied with this using this watch, ColorFit Pro 2. I have purchased this from Amazon when they had deals, flash deals.